This is a little 400 watt grid tie inverter. It's set up currently with two 100 watt panels wired into the top. Up here, positive and negative. Down at the bottom, this is the grid tie. Goes out to an extension cord run to my normal wall outlet. The green circles here indicates that it's putting charge back into the network. How fast that goes around determines how much energy it's putting back in the network. There's a peak of 200 because I only have 2 panels currently. Each panel was a couple $100. And this is run up. So those are the two 600 volt DC sunlight rated wires, 25-foot extensions. They come out, you run up along there, over here to this pair of panels up here. This is all self-set up. So, and here's the panels. This is a 100 watt panel. And that's a 100 watt panel. And they're set up over here so that they can get the most light. So I got this other tree back over there that's pretty big. So this will give them the most sunlight into the evenings. Once the sun comes above the roof apex over there. And I need to trim this guy back a little bit. The Japanese maple's getting burned from the heat reflection off the roof. Need to cut this little corner out of it, I think. Maybe. We'll see how it goes. Need to put a kilowatt meter in series and see what kind of energy it's dumping back into the house. It's kind of cloudy right now, as you can see. So, I don't know, on a bright day with no sunlight, I would expect that little green circle thing to be flying. At least up to the 200 watts. It's capable of 400, so I could add two more 100 watt panels. Maybe up above this pair. But this isn't the only setup. I've also got a pair of 15 watt or a pair of 10 watt panels around on the side that are charging up batteries for in the house for experiments and whatnot. And this is resting at the edge of the roof on this, I don't know if you can see it well. There's a rain slanter here. It's up on 2x4s. They're sitting behind that rain slanter. So it's got spacing to keep it off the roof, which should keep it from overheating, keeping it up in the air. Decent gap so that air can get under it. Anyway, so there we go. Finally, 200 watts being put back into the grid. That should offset the fish tank costs.